Make every test virtually pain-free. OneTouch Delica Plus lancing device. Getting started. This video doesn't replace your owner's booklet. Before using the OneTouch Delica Plus lancing device to test your blood glucose, carefully read the owner's booklet and inserts that come with the components of the system. To reduce the chance of infection and disease spread by blood, before testing, wash your hands thoroughly with warm, soapy water. Make sure to wash the sample site with soap and warm water. Rinse and dry before sampling. Rinse and dry completely. The lancing device is intended for a single user. Never share a lancet or lancing device with anyone, including family members or multiple people with diabetes. To insert a new sterile lancet into your OneTouch Delica Plus lancing device, first remove the cap by rotating it and then pulling it straight off the device. Keep the cap to one side, as you'll need it again in a minute. OneTouch Delica Plus lancets are available in two sizes: 30-gauge fine lancets and 33-gauge extra fine lancets. Align the lancet as shown here, so that the lancet fits into the lancet holder. Push the lancet into the device until it snaps into place and is fully seated in the holder. Remember to use a new sterile lancet each time you obtain a blood sample. This will help prevent infection and reduce pain. Twist the protective cover one full turn until it separates from the lancet. Save the protective cover for lancet removal and disposal. Place the cap onto the device. Turn the cap or push the cap straight in to secure it. The 13 depth settings on the OneTouch Delica Plus lancing device allow you to personalize sampling for your comfort. Just turn the depth wheel to your desired setting. Try a shallower setting first and increase the depth until you find the one deep enough to get a blood sample of the proper size. To be sure the OneTouch Delica Plus lancing device is caulked, slide the caulking control back until it clicks. If it does not click, it may already have been caulked when you inserted the lancet. Hold the OneTouch Delica Plus lancing device firmly against the side of your finger. When you're ready, press the green release button to puncture your finger. Remove the lancing device from your finger. The OneTouch Delica Plus lancing device incorporates precision guidance technology for reduced vibration for smoother lancing. Choose a different puncture site each time you test. Repeated punctures in the same spot may cause soreness and calluses. Then, gently squeeze and/or massage your fingertip until a round droplet of blood forms, like this. If the blood smears or runs, do not use that sample. Dry the area and gently squeeze another drop of blood, or puncture a new site. Now, you can apply the blood drop to the test strip in your meter. When testing is complete, remove the cap by rotating it and then pulling it straight off the device, just like before. Remember your protective lancet cover? Before removing the lancet, place the lancet protective cover on a hard surface. Then push the lancet tip into the cupped side of the cover. It is easy to eject lancets using the OneTouch Delica Plus lancing device. Eject the lancet by pushing the slider forward until the lancet comes out of the device. If the lancet fails to eject properly, caulk the device, then push the slider control forward until the lancet comes out. Finally, replace the cap on the OneTouch Delica Plus lancing device. Turn the cap or push the cap straight in to secure it. Discard the used lancet and test strip carefully after each use to avoid unintended lancet stick injuries. Used lancets and test strips may be considered biohazardous waste in your area. OneTouch Delica Plus lancets are compatible with the original OneTouch Delica lancing device. OneTouch Delica lancets are also compatible with the OneTouch Delica Plus lancing device. Want to know more? OneTouch. Every touch is a step forward.